Sirris is a US-based high-performance off-road suspension company. My partners and I started a couple of years ago now. We have our R&D in the United States and our manufacturing here in Taiwan. And really our mission is to unlock the potential of this new market, these electric motocross bikes. And by providing a premium, race-ready, capable suspension system to really unlock the potential of these new electric motocross bikes. Being a new company, we're trying to move really fast. Speed is critical. This market is a really new market as well. The customer's still trying to determine exactly what they want, and we're trying to react to the demands of the manufacturers to really be able to provide solutions to the customer that they need. Traditional manufacturing, especially with plastic components, is pretty long lead times and pretty expensive to have tooling, especially injection molding tooling and things that we're working on. So the speed of printing the parts has really improved our capability to deliver race-ready suspension to our customers for them to compete with in a much shorter time than traditional manufacturing allows. The Form 4L, the speed and the size, it allowed us to print multiple parts at a time, and we were able to basically turn around parts within days versus months if we were going the traditional route. The Tough 1500 resin, after working with the development team at Formlabs on what the right resin was for these parts, turned out to be an excellent choice because it is capable of handling basically some of the toughest off-road racing environments. We've had a lot of success with the prototypes that we have in the field on the race product. Just the impact resistance, the fork guards that we're printing. Their job is to protect the chassis and the critical tubes inside the fork from rock damage, from impacts with other motorcycles. So the resin system was really the right fit. The parts are super flexible, like nearly identical to the PP equivalent. For the Mint 400, it was a pretty historic time for electric moto because it's the first time that electric dirt bikes have competed in that event. It's a race in Las Vegas, and it's a grueling 400-mile off-road race through the desert. And our customer, we've been developing race product with, and basically these two bikes actually were new models for us. And they're different than what we are in production with, shorter, so we needed a different guard. Historically, to do that, you would just be cutting down and you'd have very prototype-y parts. With having the printed parts, we were able to get parts that look like production parts, feel like production parts, and are capable of withstanding the environments of racing. We were able to compete this year mainly because we were able to get the critical parts to be able to build these bikes, and the guards and the parts that we worked with Formlabs on were critical to that as well.